in under 3 minutes.
I-share namin sa inyo kung paano kami nakapag-retire early in our early 30s.
Pay off all our debts.
And more importantly, we finally had be able to give more sa ministry namin. Ako si Dave.
And Roxanne.
Although taga Calgary, Canada kami, right now, where are we?
We're at the Paradise Point Resort
Check it
dito
out.
sa San Diego, California.
Ang ganda rito. If you're watching this, you probably have the desire, same desire na makapag-retire early so that you'll have more time maybe sa family mo or travel, create memories. Pero you just don't know how to do that. We were the same. Roxanne and I, we always wanted to be free, na walang boss. So we tried a lot of things. We tried one business, mga side hustle, second business, third business, and we failed in 24 businesses. And at that point, we almost quit because we accumulated almost $86,000 of consumer debt. Nag-utang-utang kami dahil sa mga business na trinay namin. But I remember yung turning point namin, si Roxanne, she prayed this very powerful prayer.
Yes, I asked God to heal our finances, to lead us to the right opportunities, right vehicle na that could help us get ahead in life.
And it wasn't long after that, na nakita namin yung ads similar to this. So I believe you watching this, hindi to aksidente. This is a divine appointment. Obviously, nung una, skeptical kami, di ba?
Yeah, skeptical ako. Akala ko hindi legit, baka isa-scam kami. So natakot ako, pero after prayer, discernment, and doing our due diligence, we took the leap of faith.
Yeah, in that ad, ask us to watch a 90-minute webinar. And so webinar na yun, doon namin na-discover kung ano yung mga missing, kaya nag-fail kami sa business. They shared the 3 pillars, which I call parang 3 secret sauce kung bakit it was game changer for us. The rest is history. In 16 months, nabayaran namin lahat ng utang namin, yung 86,000 na yon. And in 14 months, I replaced my almost 6-figure income as a general manager.
Yes, ako rin. In 29 months, I was able to quit my government job sa finance.
And finally, we have a lot of extra to be able to give sa ministry namin. So if you have the same desire, I want you to click the link. I-click mo yung link. Mag-open siya, ilagay mo yung name and email, and we will send you the information so that you can also start your own online business. Ito yung good news.
Yes, ang good news is meron kaming team member na tutulong sa inyo, mag-guide sa iyo, that will mentor you every step of the way. Hindi ka mag-iisa.
So yes, you will have a direct mentor, may guidance ka. So again, click the link, put your name and email, and we will send information so that ikaw rin makapag-start ng sarili mong business para may free time ka na and you will fire your boss. See you inside. God bless. Kita-kita tayo. God bless.
Bye. Your next